Joyce Kalayan from BSED English 2A, and this is my video presentation covering Module 9 about modern fantasy. First, we have A Christmas Carol. It's a classic novel written by Charles Dickens and first published in 1842. The story follows the transformation of Ebenezer Scrooge, a miserly old man who is visited by the ghosts of Christmas, past, present, and yet to come. Through these encounters, Scrooge is shown the error of his ways and ultimately learn the true meaning of Christmas. Charles Dickens was a prolific English writer and social critic who is widely regarded as one of the greatest novelists of the Victorian era. He is one of his vivid characters, engaging storytelling, and his keen observation of society and human nature. Dickens' works often address social injustice and shed light on the poor and marginalized members of society. A Christmas Carol is one of his famous and secure works, loved by generation of writers for its messages of redemption, compassion, and the joy of holiday seasons. Next, we have Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. Follows a young girl named Alice, who falls down a rabbit hole into the fantasized world full of taking animals, magical creatures, and eccentric characters. Written by Lewis Carroll, the pen name of the Charles Dodgson, the book was published in 1865 and has become one of beloved classic of children's literature. Lewis Carroll was an English writer, mathematician, and photographer who was known for his playful and imaginative storytelling. He was inspired to write Alice's Adventures in Wonderland during a boat trip with the Liddell family, for whom he created the story to entertain their young daughter. Alice Carroll's whimsical and nonsensical tale has captivated readers for generations, with its clever wordplay, surreal and imaginary underlying themes of logic, identity, and imagination. So next we have The Bridge to Terabithia. It's a novel written by the Catherine Peterson that tells the story of a deep friendship between the two fifth graders, Jess Aarons and Leslie Borky. Together they create an imaginary kingdom called Terabithia in the woods near their homes where they can escape the challenges of their everyday lives. However, tragedy strikes when Leslie dies in a tragic accident, leaving Jess devastated and learning to cope with loss and grief. Catherine Patterson is an American author known for her writing young adult and children books that tackle complex and meaningful themes. She has won numerous awards for her work, including the Newbery Medal for Bridge to Terabithia in 1978. Peterson's writing often focuses on the themes of love, loss, friendship, and the power of imagination. She has a talent for creating emotionally resonant and stories that resonate with the readers of all ages. Next, we have The Chronicles of Narnia. It's a series of seven fantasy novels written by British author C.S. Lewis. The series follows the adventures of the children who are transported to the magical land of Narnia, where they encounter talking animals, mythical creatures, and epic battles between good and evil. The books are known for their Christian allegorical themes and imaginative storytelling. Clive Staples Lewis, known as C.S. Lewis, was a British writer, theologian, and academic who born in Belfast, Ireland in 1898. He is best known for his work of fictions, including the Chronicles of Narnia series and Storytale and Letters. Lewis was a close friend and logic of fellow author J.R.R. Tolkien, and both were members of the formal literature discussion group known as the Inklings. While Lewis wrote prolifically on a wide range of topics, including theology, literary criticism, and philosophy, he is perhaps best remembered for his imaginative and accessible works of fiction, which continue to captivate and inspire readers of all ages. Lewis passed away in 1963, but his legacy as a writer and thinker continues to indicate. Next, we have Peter Pan. It's a classic children's novel written by J.M. Barrie. It tells the story of Peter Pan, mischievous boy who can fly and never grow up. In his adventures in the magical world of Neverland, Peter takes Wendy, John, and Michael Darling to the Neverland where they encounter pirates, mermaids, and villainous Captain Hook. J.M. Barrie was a Scottish author and playwright who was born in 1860. He began writing plays and novels in the late 18th century and is best known for creating the character of Peter Pan. Next, we have Harry Potter. It's a best-selling fantasy series written by British author J.K. Rowling. The series follows the adventures of young wizard Harry Potter and his friends Hermione Granger and Ronnie Weasley as they attend Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry and battle the Dark Wizard Voldemort. J.K. Rowling, whose real name is Joanne Rowling, was born in England in 1965 before becoming a successful author. She worked as a researcher and bilingual secretary for Amnesty. The idea for Harry Potter came to her while on delayed the train from Manchester to London. Over the course of 7 books, Rowling's magical world captured the heart of readers of all ages and became the culture phenomenon. Rowling's success with the Harry Potter series has earned her numerous awards and accolades, as well as dedicated fan base around the world. In addition to her writing, she is also known for her philanthropic work and advocacy for numerous social and political causes.
That will be all. Thank you.